folks, welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete Quickies. It's a new playlist I'm putting together, quick recipes and cooking tips. That's what it's all about. Let's get to it. For this recipe, use your favorite tomato. I'll be using a red vine tomato. This recipe will be enough for about 8 slices of tomato. We'll start out by cutting our tomatoes into about 1/2-inch slices. After they're sliced, pat dry them with a paper towel, both sides. In a bowl, we're going to add 1/2 cup of Italian seasoned Panko crumbs. That gives us that nice crunch. 1/2 cup of grated parmesan. And my favorite Cajun seasoning, Slap Ya Mama. Depending on how spicy you like it, add between 1 and 1.5 teaspoons. And give this all a good mix. Adding some ham is an option. Whatever your favorite ham is, I'm using a thin sliced sweet ham. I'm going to stack them up about 4 at a time, and then simply using a juice cup, I'm going to use that to cut out my little circles. That's going to be perfect size to fit my tomatoes. Now I need something to hold it to the tomatoes. We've dried our tomatoes off. Now we're going to spread a little bit of herb and garlic cream cheese. Not only for flavor, but it'll be like our glue to the tomatoes. Once we spread that, lay the tomatoes on top. And you'll see they stick very well. We can flip those over, and now it's time to put the coating on. We'll need an egg, well beaten. I've got everything laid out. First we'll take the tomato and place it in our egg mixture, then into our dry mix. Pat it down gently. Our objective here is to get a nice thick coat of that dry mixture on the tomato. Have a cookie sheet ready with some parchment paper on top, and then we'll get our oven preheated to 400 degrees. Set your timer for 16 to 18 minutes. You'll know they're done when they're nice and golden brown. Here they are, fresh out of the oven. They have such a nice crunchy texture on the outside. I like to top them off with a dollop of sour cream and a pinch of dill. Oh boy, don't they look delicious. Thanks for watching In the Kitchen with Pete Quickies. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, see ya!
Well, it ain't easy.